What's going on, everyone? Gilman with Wellthy Stocks, back with our daily Apple update video, ticker symbol AAPL, where we take a look at how Apple stock traded today, key levels of support and resistance that we are looking at, and I also want to take a look at an article that talks about Apple's potential future growth. So real quick, if you enjoy videos like this, don't forget to hit that like button down below, subscribe to my channel if you are new, and comment down below what your thoughts on Apple are. And I'd love to chat with you guys down there. Let me go ahead and hit record and we will get right into the video. So as I sort of talked about yesterday, we broke above that 126.60s level and we pushed up, and so we'll take a look at that really quick. But just taking a look at the article that I was mentioning, let me bring that in here. Essentially what this article is talking about is an Apple bull, which is Wedbush analyst Dan Ives talks about Apple reaching a potential $3 trillion market cap by 2022. As you guys know, it's currently the world's most valuable company with a current market cap of about 2.1 trillion. So essentially what they're saying is it's going to go from 2.1 trillion to 3 trillion, almost a 30% upside, even though Apple is down currently 5% year to date. So great 2020 for Apple, but 2021 has not been great so far. As you guys know, I'm sure a lot of you guys watch my videos, and sometimes Apple just sits around and does nothing for a little while. So, we know that Wedbush and Dan Ives is bullish on Apple, therefore, they're predicting this push up. But, what we're seeing is that, or the reason they think that is because 12 to 18 months from now, what they're seeing is the innovation and the super cycle playing out in the services business. This is the next stage of growth, and the services business is something that I've talked about repeatedly as well, right? I've talked about, hey, we are seeing growth in all aspects of the services business, whether that's Apple Music, whether that's iCloud, whether that's other key services that they offer, which has also always been great, because remember, services is something that people continue to pay for. If you have Apple Music, you're paying $10 a month. If you have iCloud, you're paying $2.99 a month. And it's not something that people pay once and then don't pay again, right? It's not you buying an iPhone once every couple of years or you buying a Mac once every 5 years. It's something that is a yearly recurring revenue, and a lot more people are likely to have it than the number of people that are going to be buying new Apple products, right? So that's why it's great, because it's once you can get someone converted, the likelihood that they'll stay longer is definitely there. So in late April, they increased the price from $175 to $185 with an outperform rating. So that's definitely great. They're valuing the currently at 1 trillion, the services business. They're expecting that to go up to 1.5 trillion. And Apple, the way that they've been growing has been absolutely amazing to see. And that's what they talk about here, right? So there's a lot of risks too, right? Including the battle with Fortnite in terms of the App Store kind of issue that they had going on. So just kind of be mindful of that. But I don't know if it'll hit 3 trillion, but I remain bullish on Apple, which is why I continue to always hold my shares. So at the beginning of the day, great push up, right? Very quickly broke above that 126 level, talked about that 128 level, and we'll touch on that again. But that's been a tough level for us to break. So for a few minutes, literally there, looked like it was going to do it, came right back down, and then we bounced off the 126s, pushed up, and closed. What I don't like about today, ended the day below VWAP, ended the day pretty low compared to where we were kind of at the beginning of the day. So a little bit of sell-off there, but nothing too crazy, still a green day. And key thing is, this trend line that we drew where we visited it a couple times, we've started to, get away from touching that. Again, 128 back on May 14th, May 21st, 22nd, or 24th, 25th, 27th, and now again, June 8th, same story. Can't really break and stay above the 128s. So what I'm hoping for tomorrow, you guys, is a little bit maybe of a dip, or maybe we touch 126.60s. If we bounce there, which is what I'm hoping for, I think we make a run towards the 128s. However, if we get rejected, if the support level does not hold up, then we got run room down to the 125s again, or run room down to the low 126s at least. So be careful on what it does at the 126s. If it doesn't, got run room down to 125s. If it bounces, I think we make another attempt at 128. Beginning of day clearly looked like we were above that. but very quickly found out that, you know, we've kind of sold back below that. So that 128 has been a little tough. As you can see, this line that we have here, it's been tough for it to kind of break above that. So just kind of be mindful of that, you guys. But yeah, other than that, I think, again, depending on how it is, how it goes at the 128 level, if we visit it again, we could end the week between the 126 and the 128. But if we make another push towards it, then we could end, you know, right above the 128 as well. So yeah, it's really important for us to kind of break above that and continue to move higher away from this trend line. If we visit it, then you know, a bounce here is necessary. So that's what I'm looking at, you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to drop a like, subscribe to my channel, comment down below what your thoughts on Apple are, and I'd love to chat with you guys down there. Let's remember to be a bit better every single day, and until next time.